Are you struggling to find how you can fix if your home tab like this one is showing on the right side of the Excel status bar? So if you try to drag it to the left side, it is not moving. So how you can fix that? And so for this you need to right click on the status bar and you will see that customize the ribbon. Click on that and you will be routed to the customize ribbon. So here you can see that there is the right side customize the ribbon. Currently my home tab is appearing on the bottom of the all tabs here. So you need to select the home tab and on the side right side you will see that this arrow. This is the move up arrow. You need to click on that and now you can see that your home tab is moving to the upside. You need to click on that until the home tab is on the default placement. Once you see that your home tab is on the top of the placement, you need to click OK. And now you can see that your home tab is back to the default placement. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.